Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 11:45 p.m. At 10:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Batavia to Shorewood to near Morris, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The storm has a history of producing wind damage in Kendall County. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, Park Forest, Homewood, and Alfred. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 249. Interstate 57 between mile markers 325 and 355. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 124, and between mile markers 136 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 66 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 66 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 11. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes Windy City Thunderbolt Baseball, Channahon State Park, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flood